Hello everyone. So with this Ford Flex, we have an issue with the windshield wiper fluid not coming out. So when I push the fluid here, as you can see, the windshield wipers go, but there's no fluid coming out. But you can hear that the pump's working. So we're gonna go check under the pump. So first you wanna check, make sure you have enough fluid in the fluid reservoir. In my case, I had filled it up all the way to the top and it still wasn't working. So that was the first step. So we see there's a little moisture under here. We wanna follow the windshield wiper line. See if there's a problem with the line. And what did I find here? The line's unhooked or dislodged. So let's go ahead and put this line back together. And I'm pretty sure this is the reason why. The fluid's not coming out. Once you put the line back on, go back inside and test it out again. Reattach the line. Let's see if that was the culprit. So, like I said previously, first I made sure that the tank was full of fluid and tried running it again, but it still wasn't working. So then I looked at the lines to see if there was any foul play there, and I guess the last time someone worked on this car, they must have hit the line and it came off. So let's give it a try again. Push the button there, and there you go, that was it. So an easy fix. This might or might not fix your problem, but if you've run into a similar problem, the Ford Flex, might be the line might have come dislodged. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe.